In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Redbubble Mockups. If you are a designer or artist using Redbubble, mockups are a great way to preview how your artwork appears on different products, such as t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, and posters. However, it is important to understand that Redbubble does not always provide traditional downloadable mockup files like design software does. Instead, it generates preview images automatically for product display purposes. Even so, there are still practical ways to access or save these mock-up previews for personal use, presentation, or portfolio purposes. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Redbubble website. Once the page loads, log into your account so you can access your artist's dashboard. After signing in, go to your profile area and open the section that leads to your Manage Portfolio or your uploaded works, where all your designs are stored in one place. From there, select the specific artwork you want to work with. Clicking on it will open the product preview page, where Redbubble automatically displays your design across different products using built-in mockups. Take your time to scroll through the available product previews, such as apparel, accessories, or home items, depending on what your design has been applied to. Once you find a mockup image that you would like to save, you can usually use your computer browser to right-click directly on the preview image. After right-clicking, choose the option that says Save Image As. This will allow you to store a copy of the mockup preview on your device, which can then be used for presentations, design planning, or showcasing your portfolio. In some situations, you may notice that saving the image directly is restricted due to browser settings or platform limitations. If that happens, an alternative method is to take a screenshot of the mockup while it is displayed on your screen. After capturing the screenshot, you can crop it to remove unnecessary areas and keep the focus on the product mockup for a cleaner and more professional appearance. It is also helpful to keep in mind that Redbubble mockups are primarily designed for product visualization rather than high-resolution files. If you need more advanced or customizable mockups, many designers choose external mockup tools where they can import their artwork and generate more flexible previews. And that is how you can access and save Redbubble mockups using simple browser-based methods. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.